welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be starting off a new series for the month of July, which is 30 days of daily vlogs with me. So every single day I'm going to be sharing with you guys what I'm doing for the day. So there will be plenty of unboxing, shopping hauls, because I just got some new stuff that's coming in on the way. So definitely make sure that you stick around to see that every single day for the month of July. If you are new here, welcome new friend. My name is Tasha Jadé and I am the owner of The Styling Tea, a channel that's dedicated to all things luxury and affordable fashion, beauty, and lifestyle. So today guys, it is Saturday. It is the 4th of July holiday weekend and my family is in town. So we are going to be going to the zoo. We're going to hang out in San Diego. But first, we have to go get our nails done because I look a hot mess. I'm not even gonna joke about that. So I'm gonna take you guys with me to go get my nails done at my favorite salon. And then I cannot wait on this, but when I get back, I'm going to show you what I bought new in for shoes. I'm only gonna tell you that, but I'm gonna tell you what it is, and I'm gonna show you how I got it for a lot less. Because you know we don't like to pay full price for anything designer here on this channel. So without further ado, let me show you my outfit of the day, and then let's go, because we have things to do today. Okay, let's get into today's outfit of today. I am wearing this one-piece bodysuit from Amazon and this denim hat that I purchased from the brand Simon. This bodysuit, y'all, literally snatches in my waist. Ooh, let me go ahead and grab a bag real quick. So I'm going to wear this Brandon Blackwood crossbody neon bag that is one of my absolute faves. It is perfect for a day at the zoo where I can keep my hands free. And then let me go ahead and give you a full body shot in the mirror so you can also see the shoes. And let's head out to the nail salon.
All right, y'all. So I am resuming from what my auntie was saying. So we are in the kitchen. We are making some food. We're about to go to the zoo. So yeah, I'm very excited for that. Hey. This quality is so good. It looks great.
Okay, yeah. Quality. Wait, let's do a fit check.
Not everything's on, but I'm wearing this bodysuit. It's giving snatched. It's giving hourglass.
Huh.
Let's do Haley.
So no shoes on, but we got the jewelry from Shein.
Oh, we're telling you where they are from?
Yes, that's what you do.
Oh shoot, then do me one more time. Well, I don't got everything on, but this is from Fashion Nova. This is from Shein. No, this is from Amazon. This is from Amazon. This is from the Apple Store. My shoes are gonna be from Goat. And then my bag is gonna be from, I forgot. All right, y'all. We will catch you later.
Okay, we are officially back. Nails done, feet are done, and we are getting ready to head out to go to the San Diego Safari Zoo in Encinitas. So, it's a very, very busy weekend, like I said, because of the 4th of July holiday, but I'm excited. So we're gonna go ahead and head out right now, and I will catch up with you guys in a minute. When we get back, we will do our unboxing. All right, let's go.
1 time out of 10, 2 times won't you be mine? We just can't pretend. This love thing can take time. 3 times then I'm in. I heard through the grapevines you missing our playtime, girl. Your beauty make them bow down. I need that body right now, yeah. The love will never die down. Together we can fly now. So baby, don't you ever be afraid of falling in love with me. Let me be your parachute. Parachute. 1 time out of 10, 4 times on the state lines. We fly till the end. My hands on your waistline. Sky high, feel the wind. 5 times won't you be mine? This love
coastal sage scrub. So we will be returning out here. Continuing on the right, we've got the bird marsh. Or if you look carefully, we've got flocks of pelicans and a wake of vultures. All the vultures mainly hiding under all the shady spots. So make sure you guys are looking amongst the shady trees and bushes out there, because that's where the vultures will be hiding. Of 55 miles per hour. So then you can imagine who their predators might be. Ooh, and we're definitely have a pretty good view of them today. We're gonna get to see another tower of giraffes. However, these guys are a little darker in color, especially Mr. Tall, Dark, and Handsome, the male giraffe.
Let's fly, let's fly, let's fly. You and I, yeah. Hey, let's fly, let's fly, let's fly. You and I, you and I. And no matter how long it takes, I'll be right here by your side. I'll be right here by your side.
Hey guys, so we're back from visiting the San Diego Safari Park today, and it was honestly a lot of fun. We had a great time. I think all together we pretty much stayed for probably like a total of 2.5 hours. I honestly thought we were gonna stay longer, but to be honest, it was extremely hot. So we took an African safari tour around the park and saw all of the wildlife, which was so gorgeous. My personal favorite was the view of the entire park from the tram. It was so stunning. Like, I just felt like this is the type of view like where you just want to sit outside and just enjoy like a nice glass of wine and just really just take in the scenery. But everybody had a great time, and we are now back here at the house because it is time for the unboxing. So I am very excited to share this brand with you guys because I have been following the trends with this shoe for a very long time, and I have been waiting to get my hands on a pair of these shoes. So without further ado, let me just share with you the newest addition into my shoe family. Ta-da! It is Tom Ford. So these shoes are a version of a pair of shoes that are very, very, very popular, and they are extremely expensive. But as I told you before, we like to get discounts and find sales here on this channel, so I did not pay full price. So let me just show you what the shoes actually look like. These are the Tom Ford padlock heels, and these are the higher version of them, which I believe is a 100. I believe they come in an 80 and a 100, but I'm gonna put them down below in the description box so you guys can also get them yourself. But y'all, these shoes are so gorgeous. So here's what they look like. Ta-da! Oh my gosh, these are so gorgeous. First of all, they are the Tom, like I said, they're the Tom Ford padlock heel. So you can see that they do have this padlock detailing already on here. Let me take this part off. Bring this up closer to you so you can see it. Hold on, it'll focus. There we go. So you can see the padlock detail right here on here. And then also what I love is the gold heel, the gold stiletto. Like, that is absolutely stunning. And then when you look on the front part of the shoe, you can see the gold stitching all the way around the outer parts of the shoe, mixed in with the denim, which makes this such a valuable shoe, because I love the fact that this is a denim shoe that you can wear with so many different types of outfits. Denim is definitely on trend right now, but even after denim becomes not as such as a high priority item for trends, this is something you're going to keep for a long period of time, because at the end of the day, whether like an all denim outfit is no longer something that's like highly desirable, denim will always be around forever. Like, we're never getting rid of this. I got these in a size 37, and they are actually very comfortable. I was very apprehensive to believe that, just because look at the heel. Like, this looks like it has zero support whatsoever, but it does. It's actually, it's very, very comfortable. It's very easy to walk around in. As somebody who does wear heels, sometimes you just feel like when you're hearing that a particular type of shoe is supposed to be comfortable, you're sitting there thinking like, yeah, right, that's not possibly the truth. But this is actually a very walkable shoe. I probably wouldn't walk around all day in it, but it is something that, you know, is nice and sexy for like a nice date night out, a brunch date with like your girls. I definitely recommend this shoe. So let's get into the price. The price itself was hold on. Before I tell you the price that I paid, the price of these shoes retail at $1,350. This is the price that you will pay at every single retailer that currently still has these shoes in stock, except for one. And this is the part where I am telling you, if you do nothing else from this video, please click the link in bio, and not the bio, but the link in the description box, and go get these shoes while you can, because there's not a lot of places that have these shoes at a discounted price. Now, I found these shoes at Saks Fifth Avenue for $940. However, in addition to the $945 price, they also had a 20% friends and family discount. So that brought the price down from $745 to $730. Cha-ching, cha-ching, cha-ching. So, like I said, go check it out. Make sure that you take advantage of it. If you miss a 20% off, at least get them while they're still in stock and they're available at the $945, so you can save yourself a good penny before you decide to drop $1,300 on these shoes. All right, guys, so we're gonna go ahead and wrap it up for tonight. It has been a long day. Not a long day with you guys, but it's been a long day over here. We've been doing a lot of running around, and the family is a little exhausted, so we're gonna take a moment to take a nap, get ready, to just recoup ourselves for the evening. But you're gonna see me again tomorrow, because like I said, we are doing 30 days of daily vlogs here on this channel, 30 days of daily video. So it'll be a mix of vlogs, shopping hauls, all types of stuff. So make sure that if you're not subscribed to the channel, girl, just hit the subscribe button right now. Go ahead and do that. Make sure you hit the notification bell so you're also notified every single time a new video drops right here on the Styling Tea channel. And before we head out, I'm just gonna see if my favorite co-host here wants to introduce himself and say hi.
Okay. Hello, everybody.
Hi guys, this is my nephew Nicholas. He is also my cameraman for today. Say hi, Nick.
Hello.
Well, we just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning in for a new video, and we will see you in the next one. Bye, guys.